Good morning, everybody. We're gonna wash out another tie-dye for you. We've got a beautiful series of blues laying on the rack down there. Got it outside here with the cold water. Gonna get the outside rinsed out real good and move it on inside with the warm. That looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That blue purple. Blue violet purple. To the ends. Oh, got the try.
Okay.
There we go. To the ends. Hang inside now with some warm water and start getting it on bandage. Find out what's hiding in there.
I think we called this one the double peacock.
Double peacock?
I think that's what this one was.
Can't remember. It looks pretty though. Steam coming off that one. Nice.
Yeah,
and
it's pretty hot.
a lot of deep colors in this one. This one is going to take quite a bit of rinsing, people. Anytime you use colors that are deep like this, they like to hang around. There you go.
It's flashing.
Oh, that was alright. Yeah, I'm gonna tie-dye them out.
No free foot tape.
So that's good measure. What do we got? Look at that! Wow!
See, it's like a double bullseye.
Look at that!
Right down the middle, too.
It's perfect on both sides of that color. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful pattern. Great striation. Just a perfect attempt at what we were going for. I love this color scheme, by the way. Definitely did make this one up on the fly, but it is certainly one we'll probably use into the future. Just a nice blue, purple, violet spread. She's got her two pleats coming out the side there. Look at that. Makes nice little semicircle. This is about as good as you can hope for here, people. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.